Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Valorant password if you've forgotten it. The process is quick and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the Riot Games password recovery page. You can find the link in the description below if you want to access it quickly. Once you're on the page, select your region and enter your Riot Games username. After that, click the Continue button. Riot Games will then send a password reset email to the email address linked to your account. Open your inbox and look for the email from Riot Games. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Next, click the password reset link inside the email. You'll be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it by typing it again, and then click Save or Submit to finish the process. That's it. Your password has now been updated successfully. You can now return to the Riot client or launch Valorant and sign in using your username and your new password. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Valorant guides and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.